Welcome to a pivotal moment in business history. Today, we're exploring an unprecedented announcement that could redefine corporate leadership as we know it. Dictador, a company that's no stranger to pushing boundaries, has made a bold move by appointing a humanoid robot named Mika as their CEO. This marks a significant milestone, as it is the result of an ambitious collaboration between Hanson Robotics and Dictador, blending advanced robotics with corporate strategy. Mika isn't your run-of-the-mill executive robot. This CEO has been meticulously programmed to reflect and uphold the values of Dictador, a company celebrated for its forward-thinking approach. Equipped with state-of-the-art artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, Mika promises to navigate the complex waters of corporate decision-making with a level of speed and accuracy that is unparalleled. Yet, an intriguing aspect observed in Mika's public appearances is the noticeable delay in response time, sparking debates about the efficacy and readiness of AI in roles traditionally held by humans. The visionary behind Mika's creation, David Hanson of Hanson Robotics, is a staunch advocate for infusing AI with humanistic qualities. In his view, AI must be taught empathy and care for it to coexist safely and beneficially alongside humans. This philosophy is at the core of Mika's design, seeking to not just lead a company, but to do so with a semblance of humanity. But how does the general public feel about this revolutionary transition? To gauge opinions, we took to the streets of New York City, engaging with people from all walks of life about the prospect of having a robot as a boss. The responses were as diverse as the city itself. Some individuals expressed enthusiasm, positing that intelligence, whether artificial or not, deserves respect and kindness. Others took a more traditional stance, asserting that a robot, no matter how intelligent, remains a tool rather than a peer deserving of respect. Mika's ascent to the role of CEO raises profound questions about the future of work, leadership, and the ethical implications of AI in high-stakes positions. Will Mika inspire a new wave of innovation in corporate governance, or will it challenge our preconceptions about the role of human judgment in leadership? It's a daring experiment, one that could pave the way for a new era where AI and human collaboration are commonplace. As we stand on the cusp of this new age, it's essential to consider the potential impacts on the workforce, the economy, and the delicate balance between technological advancement and human touch. Mika's journey is more than a corporate experiment. It's a case study for the world, probing the limits of technology in human society. We invite you to share your thoughts on this momentous development. Are we ready to embrace AI as the new captains of industry, or should certain realms of influence remain solely human? Comment below with your insights and subscribe to follow along as we track Mika's tenure as the world's first humanoid robot CEO. This conversation is just beginning, and your voice is a crucial part of it.